we have to change this my cart design, especially those food item designs, because for standard cart page there should have a way to remove items from cart. So in this case we don't have a button to remove those items, and also we can add rating that those items or those food have on the my cart section under the food name. So let's do it. First I will go to the master component and cut it from sticker sheet and paste it on the cart page. Alright, now this is really easy. First I will increase this height on the cart item. So when I increase it, so it affect for those instance. So I will remove those instance, and now it will be perfect. Now what I am doing is click here and click on align top. Okay, then I will add top gap as 15, the padding as 15, and then I click on this text and press shift and A to add the auto layout, and in that auto layout make it vertical layout. After that I can just cut this count controller and put it under this auto layout like this. For now let's change this space in between count to 15, and now what I need to do is add review count for this food item. To do that I can use this type of review count. So I can just copy it from here, or let's create it for practice. Okay, go here and first let's go to the plugins and open font awesome icon, and in here I will search star. Let's add this star here, select it from this layouts and cut it, then put inside this frame. Surely it should be in here, and now let's set its size as 14. Okay, now I will press shift A and convert it or put it inside another auto layout, and I press T, and in here I will add 5. Actually it should be 4.6, and now let's change its size to 8. Let's find its size from here. Okay, what is the size? It should be 13, and okay, now go here and this should be 13 and size is medium. Then click those two objects actually, then press shift A and make it horizontal layout, and in here the size will be 6, and click this advanced auto layout setting and click on align text baseline. Okay, now we have to change it color. Alright, now what we can do is remove this gap in between to like 6. Actually we can check it from here and we can apply this same setting. It's 6. I think we add 6. Yeah, okay. Now what we can do is increase this food name size to like here, and actually we can increase the whole auto layout like this. Okay, now I can apply auto layout. Actually we can increase one more point. Now it's perfect, and now we have to add trash box or close icon to remove this item from the cart. So let's go to plugins and click on font awesome icons. In here I will search trash. Okay, I will select this trash box and let's select it and click here. Actually we can convert this to auto layout. Click on this text and press shift A, and now I will directly paste this trash bin inside that auto layout, and now click on the auto layout and set it as vertical layout. Now I will set alignment top right and horizontal in between size will be auto. Then I will set height as fill container, so those two will be aligned correctly, and let's change this bin color to green color. Okay, now we have a perfect cart food item component. Let's change this top padding and bottom padding as 7.5 because we are going to add the divider, and in that divider we can set the horizontal paddingness, actually vertical paddingness 7.5. Okay, let's add it too. So I will just click on this line and press shift and paste it like this. Then let's change it color to light gray, make it rounded. Let's add 7.0.7 and click it. Also click this cart item, then press shift A to add the auto layout, and this in gap between size will be 7.5. So this is our main component, but we can also add this line to this main component. So to do that, I have to wrap this main component with another auto layout. So let me show it. Click on the component and click on this line or the divider, then press shift A. After that, we can set the size as 7.5. Okay, now this is a normal frame with auto layout, and this is the component. But actually, if we can add this line inside the component, but if we add it like this, it will not perfectly align. Only way to fix this is remove this component and create a new component using this same details. To do that, I will first copy the component name and let me go to assets. In assets, I will create a food item component. Actually, we have to put it outside of the frame. So now I go to assets. In assets, I go to the cart, and in the cart I will just drop a instance like this. Then I click on the instance and click here and click on detach instance. Now this frame is not a part of this main component because we detach it. So now I can just remove the main component. So when I remove it, we will no longer see it on the assets panel because we just removed it. Now what I do is I will go to layouts and I can directly put this one inside the frame like this. Then I can select the main component and press this create component button, and let's rename the frame as cart food item like this. So now if we go to the assets, I can see the food item or cart food item main component here. Okay, now I will cut this from here and go to the sticker sheet and paste it inside the sticker sheet. Actually click here and paste it like this. Okay, let's put it here. Now let's go to the cart, and in asset we can click on this cart food item and add it to our design like this. Okay, something wrong. Let's go to asset and okay, now it works. Alright, so now what we can do is click on the cart food item components or instance, then press shift A. In here I will change this to 15. Okay, now we can just add items like this. Now we have to add the total and add the place order button. So let's do it in next video.